already created an email. Now learn how to use it properly. So you have created your email, but now you are asking, what next? How do you actually use it properly? How do you send emails, reply to messages, or attach pictures without getting confused? Don't worry, in this video I will show you everything step by step in the easiest way possible. Watch to the end because this simple skill can help you communicate and do many things online. So let's get started, guys. So here is my email. So here is the email we are going to be using for this practical let me call it practical work. Okay, so we all created this email together for those that watched the video on how to create an email address. So this is the email we created. And if you don't know how to create an email address, I have already recorded the video. Kindly check my channel. You are going to see the video on how to create an email address. So you'll be using this email address, this easytechguides11@gmail.com. okay, so you go to your email and then you are going to see it. All right, so what you will do next is to click on the email you will be using. So once you click on the email you will be using, for the first time you are going to see something like this. Why? Because this email is a new email address, it's a new one, so the request for a profile picture, but it's optional anyway. It's optional. If you want to upload your profile picture as like your email profile picture, no problem, but if you don't want, you can leave it. So we are going to start by updating the profile picture. Okay, so you click on upload from device. Okay, so you are going to see pictures from your phone or your laptop, whatever you are using. Okay, so you select any picture you want to use as a profile picture on your email. Okay, so I've selected mine, so it's uploading. All right, so you click on next. Then our profile picture is set as profile picture. Then our profile picture is ready on this email address. So let's get started. All right, so okay, if you still want to change your profile picture, you can still change it, but not today. So here, back to business. So you click on compose. If you want to send mail to someone, you click on compose. All right, so when you click on compose, so this is going to come out. Okay, all right, just look closely. From easytechguides11@gmail.com. remember, that is the email we are using to do this practical. Okay, easytechguides11@gmail.com. okay, if you want to send message to someone, you still see your email address up here from. Okay, now to is to the person you want to send an email to. Okay, you write the person email address. It's just like, you know, if you want to call somebody, you have to bring out the person's phone number. So here, from your email then to someone else email, the person you want to send message to. Then subject is also important. That is like the title of like what you are trying to like say to the person. I will write like attach image to email. Okay, attach image to email. Okay, or another example, like for example, if your bank is sending you like a bank statement, they will write bank statement or account statement. Hence, that is what the subject mean. Or if they send you credit alert or debit alert, if your bank sent you an email like a mail, they will like the subject of that mail that they sent to you will be like debit alert or successful transaction, just like that. That is what this subject means. So that at least if someone is just pressing his or her phone and then an email just pop up, is that subject that you are going to first of all see. Then that subject will make you like understand like, oh, this is really what this message is all about. If it's credit alert, you will first of all see credit alert. You'll be like, oh, who sent me money? But if you see debit alert, you are still going to see debit alert on that subject. So the subject is just like the title of the email you are trying to send to someone. All right, so example, I'm using like attach image to to email. It's just, we are just doing practical. It's just like example. I'm just trying to just so you guys can understand. All right, so I'll just like, hi EasyTech Guide, how are you doing? You can just write anything. Like if you want to send me to someone, then you know what to type and make it professional. The subject should just be like what you are trying to like the main thing you are trying to see. Okay, here you see this icon. We are going to attach image to this message right here. You see this icon right here, then you click on it. Okay, if you don't know how to attach image to me, if you are sending image to someone, so pay attention. So you click on this arrow here, then select photo. If you want to see snap what you want to send immediately, you select camera, but I'm selecting photo. So once you select photos, then you check that you select the picture you want to attach to the message. Okay, so once you are done with that, you click on done. All right, so as you can see our message, as you can see the photo we just attached, so everything is ready. So if you want to attach image to any mail you want to send to someone, this is how to do it. So once you are done with that, you click on that arrow that is to send. Make sure that you already recorded, like you already put everything you want to send to someone, then you click on that arrow to send. So we already sent this mail and it's sent already. So if you can still check the sent button. If the message already went, you click on that place, you see primary, you see sent. So our message is already sent. So we are now going to check on AI content 215 to check if AI content received this mail that we just sent to the email. All right, so AI content, the email is by second email. So let's check. So first of all, if you are checking, if someone told you I sent a mail for you, please check your phone. You can check on inbox, you can check on, like, check everywhere, check primary, check the spam message, like, because sometimes may actually hide on the spam message, okay, on the spam section. So you check, okay, everywhere. All right, so let's check. Okay, so you see that this one actually is on this spam message. Okay, assuming you check the inbox and you did not see it, and you'll be like, oh, I did not receive this mail. But try and check all the button right there. Check primary, check spam, check like inbox. So check. So we have already received our mail. Okay, AI content has already received it. Look at it. It said, hi EasyTech Guide, how are you? And you can see the image we attached to the message. So now we are going to reply back to easytechguide11@gmail.com. So click on reply and said, I am fine, EasyTech Guide. For example, if you want to forward this mail to someone else, you will see click on that forward button, then you forward it to any person you want to send it, like any mail you want to send it, then put the person mail. Then we are going to reply. We just say, I am fine, EasyTech Guide. So you reply according to the mail they send to you. Then after replying the mail, you see click on that arrow up there to send. So the mail is sent already. So quickly we are going to check on EasyTech Guide. If EasyTech Guide received the mail, and boom, the mail is already here. You can see, I am fine, EasyTech Guide. Alright, sent by AI content. So this is how to send and receive mail, like send and reply mail. So if you know that you learned something from this video, please do it to subscribe, like this video, comment and share this video to someone who may need this. Thank you guys for watching to this very moment. See you guys on my next video. Bye.